What is up, YouTube?
What's up?
We are back again, and this is my mum.
Hi, my name is One Pen.
I'm Farzai for you lot that don't know me. Today we're going to be reacting to Annie Marie featured KSI Digital Farm Animal Don't Play. The song just came out about a day ago and it's hit 3 million views, so let's see what the hype train's all about.
Okay then.
You know, she's from The Voice.
Yeah.
You know The Voice?
Judges?
Judges, yeah.
I know her.
When the head is deep, don't play, don't play, don't play games, don't play games,
Is that contact lens she's wearing? Her eyes,
I think so.
Her eyes look so blue. Like if that's her real eyes, then Jesus, that's beautiful.
I think contact lens.
Ush. You see how KSI hit then?
She go like, what the fuck? What you doing? Look at her face. Yeah.
Do it. Do the windmill fight.
Windmill fight.
It's called the windmill throw.
You will stop then. Wait.
Not hit me.
Oh, no, no. I like her eyes.
When the head is deep, don't play, don't play,
You know what I could see her doing? Acting like movies. Couldn't you?
Like acting movie, like a fighting movie, nah? Yeah, I think she can. I think she good on
I
this.
think. What do you guys think? I think she could be an actress. I said actress for a girl, innit? But yeah, I think so. Oh, in the balls!
Girl power!
I like her style though, she's cool, isn't she?
Yeah.
Whoosh!
KO!
Knock the fuck out! How big she is? Don't play. Whoosh. Go on, Annie Marie.
Hey!
1, 2,
Sister!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ding
Bang! Knock out!
So, like, what do you think of that song?
I love it. Have everything in this songs, you know, have a lot of fun, have fight, have everything, and then what her name?
Annie Marie.
Yeah, she lovely, she lovely without makeup, with her real face, nah?
Yeah.
She's so lovely,
I love the song as well. It was fun, it was catchy, and I like the music video. And KSI, obviously, he's the GOAT. He's been doing it for years, so you can't disrespect that work rate. Thank you guys for watching. We're hitting over 225 subscribers now. We appreciate you all. If you like comment videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and comment down below, and we'll get more reactions done as soon as we can.
Thank you.
See ya.